Lauren from Wearing History here with a quick hair tutorial. This is for Edwardian hair. I got 3 of these little round things from H&M for 50 cents each, so I clip them all, so I've got 3 different long ones. Put them together and sew them with a double strand of thread. I took really big whip stitches all the way around and made sure I didn't pull too tight so you didn't get any weird bunching or anything. You don't have to worry too much. If it comes apart, you can always sew it back together later. These are really cheap, so it really helps to save money. The whole thing cost me about $1.50 plus thread. So I do another one, double my strand, stitch it together. My girl's excited. When I get to the end, I make a knot and clip it. So this makes you have a good form for Gibson girl hair to go around it, especially if you don't have a lot of hair already. Make another strand and do the final one. Make sure the curves are going in the same direction. You don't want the curves to be working against each other. If you have a regular size head, 3 should be enough. I think I have a 22-inch head. If you have a bigger head, you might want to do like 3.5. Try it on, make sure it works. Brushed my hair, made a little ponytail at the very top, and held it in place with a bobby pin. So the reason I do this is so you have an anchor for your bun that goes on top, so it doesn't wiggle all around and make your form flip-flop. So you just pin it. I only put 1, probably should put more. If you don't have a lot of hair, you might want to back comb. Even if you do, back combing the front might help. Now, I didn't pin this to place, but you might want to pin it to place before you put your hair over the top, and just smooth it all around. Grab all those extra bits. This will work for even shorter hair than mine. You probably want at least, like down to your armpit. Made a little bun, and I pinned it to the bun underneath so that it won't wiggle. I had one really finicky spot that I tried to comb over. It didn't really work, so yeah, back combing really does help in the front. Worked well enough for the video, though. And you bobby pin that in place, too. And that's it. You got really great Gibson girl hair. Just comb and pin. Ta-da! Thanks a lot.